Hi everyone, welcome back to Zunova, and in this video I would like to introduce you to a new feature in our application, and it's the new stock trade blotter. This new blotter is very easy to use. It will allow you to create as many positions and portfolios that you would like to make. And very simply, the stock trade portfolio is launched within the stock trade module, and you would simply come in here and you can create a new blotter right here where you can go in and actually create trades if you want to. You can save existing blotters if you have made any changes. You can remove a blotter or portfolio if you no longer want to save it, and you can clone one if you want to make a exact copy and maybe give it a different name to use it as a what if portfolio. So in this trade blotter right now, I'd like to just look at, let's say, the NASDAQ 100 top 10 stocks from 7/6/22, and you'll see those in the grid down below here that were created. If I wanted to add anything new, I could simply come in here. I could select the stock. In this case, let's say it's already selected in here, but Microsoft as an example. And let's say I trade for this stock 100 shares. This will be the current price it's trading at, today's trade date, and the current shares. And then you would simply say post trade. And then you'll see that Microsoft stock transaction posted right here. You can also put in any types of notes on any specific trade, and it will show up in the notes column here. Now, if I want to undo this post because it might be inaccurate what I put in, I can simply hit undo and it'll be gone here in the actual grid. And I can also clear out the editor if I want to change it to a different entry. If a stock needs to be split, you can simply highlight the stock here and you can select stock split and then put in exactly what the split is going to be for the stock, say yes, and it'll split the stock for you. Other things that you can do would be changing the amount of shares. So maybe in this case, instead of 100 shares, you bought another 100 shares, or you made a mistake, it's really 200 shares. If I put in 200 in here, traded shares, current shares, it'll say 200. I can update that, and now you'll see it's updated to 200 shares. If I'm unwinding or selling any shares, I could come in here after I've actually sold them. I could say how many shares did I unwind. It was 100 shares, and let's say the price was 236. Unwind and update, yes. And here you'll see that it unwound 100 shares at the top row here. And the realized P&L was $199. When you save all this information, saving the blotter, and you return back out to the portfolio module here, stock portfolio, you will see that everything has been updated down in the grid, in your trades grid, with all your new positions. So you can see here that the ones we've changed, in this case changed it to 200 shares, unwound 100 at 236. We can then see where it's all came through to the grid, including updating any P&L that I might have from that unwinding of shares. Now, of course, this is just doing it manually. If you do it through using Alpaca, where you're buying or selling shares, those buys and sells will be reflected in the actual portfolio itself. Anyway, that's the new trade blotter, and again, quite easy to use. Any questions, please let us know. Thank you.